Kapatid, ito yung project ko dati. Ang contractor nito is the contractor is Ridco. Tapos ang consultant ano bang consultant dito? KIO ba or Arab Engineering Bureau? Basta may consultant ito. I just forgot the sinong consultant. Pero tingnan mo ngayon mga kapatid. Ayan o. Ayan na siya ngayon. Pero natapos namin to around 2 years ago. Meaning operational na ito around 2 years ago. Pero mayroon ng canteen, mayroon na. Tingnan natin to ha. Kasi monkeys and cheetah or ito fox. Hinalo nila doon sa monkey. Ayan o. Ayan o. Oh, look at that. Hello. Hi. Ayan o. Let me see kung anong pa nito. Anong mga aso ito. Huh? Takbo lang ng takbo, but meron ding ano doon. They also have monkeys there. But let me check. This is around 2 years ago nung natapos namin ito. The main contractor is Ridco at that time. Tingnan mo, daming mga nanonood. Arabian wolf. Arabian wolf found throughout the Arabian Peninsula but now only lives in small pockets in Oman, Yemen, and Jordan. Desert plains and mountains. So, ano ito? Nag-extinct ito. It will attack and eat any domestic animal up to the size of a goat. Also feed on hares, rodents, carrion, small birds, reptiles, and insects. It also eat fruits and plants when meat is scarce. Ayan. Tingnan natin ulit ito. Nandun na yung mga monkeys. Pero anong klaseng mga monkey ito? Kasi alam ko iba-ibang monkeys ito eh. Tough capuchin from the Amazon. Ayan. Ito yung mga nakita natin yung maliit kanina. Looks like hindi magkalayo sa kanilang ano. Ayan pag tumalon. For more than 2 years ago. Ayan, nakabalik na naman ako dito uli. Anito na yun. Masaya ka mga kapatid sa kwan. Sa totoo lang. Verbit monkey. Sa totoo lang masaya ka na you are part of the project na with impact and significance to the community. Ayan sila Pero bukod sa masaya ka doon sa mga animal, masaya ka doon sa mga taong nagiging masaya dahil kaparte ka ng construction ng project na wherein the community was blessed on the significance of the project. Kaya kung matandaan ninyo, lagi nating sinasabi doon sa kick-off meeting, di ba? Kasi ang purpose ng kick-off meeting is to motivate the team to work based on the expectation of the client kasi nga mayroong significance yung project na yon. And there is only one thing kung saan ka kukuha ng where you are going to get your source for motivating workers. But the core of it is the significance of the project, how it impacts to the community. Ito na yun. Look at that. Do you think you are not happy? I'm happy that this project becomes a useful area for the community. Kahit hindi man katari yung ibang nandito, iba-ibang lahi, pero people are enjoying because Nagiging kaparte ka dito sa project na nag-provide ng shelter and habitat sa mga creatures. So that's one thing. Maraming salamat.